Alrighty, 248 volts. Just making a quick little video for the inspector. You're good, Wes. So this Tesla charger goes up the wall here. We come out of that overhang there. Come across here. Okay, we go down here. Here's ours. Alrighty. We come right down here. You can see our grommet. And then this system is running off of, we actually have two hots, L1 and L2. And then our ground, oh, you can't see that. Ground is that one there. Alrighty. Should be ready for inspection for you guys. Oh, and again, this is a 48 volt continuous load, and so it's on a 68 amp breaker per section 625. Thank you.